What's up, Mooners? A couple months ago, I told you all that when this channel hit 50k subscribers, we'd be auctioning off the Van on the fucking Moon Sniff Here t-shirt. And last week, we hit 50k! The thing is, the shirt is actually on Big Island in the Moonermobile, so it looks like we're gonna have to fly there today. I can see the Moonermobile! Dopey dropped it off at the airport earlier, so it's just in the parking lot waiting for me. I gotta get my big suitcase though first. Fucking sexy! Ah! I feel like I'm cheesing so big right now. Fuck, man. The Moonermobile! Oh, yeah! Let's look inside. It doesn't look nearly as dirty as when last time I picked it up after leaving it for 5 months. Okay. Home, sweet home. It's actually in such great condition. I don't have to go straight into cleaning this time. Yes! It honestly smells so good in here. I'm like, oh. Van on the fucking moon. It feels so good being back in here. Yup. You know, one of the best things about the Moonermobile compared to the fucking Volkswagen? The Moonermobile starts when I turn the key. Oh, yes. Yes. Music to my ears. Hello, it's been quite a few hours. I unpacked and got myself situated. We're posted up for the night, and yeah, it feels really good being back in here. Even more so being back on Big Island. Like, how am I supposed to choose between Maui and Big Island? Honestly, at this point, I'm thinking I'm just not gonna choose. The Moonermobile is low-key stuck right now. I'm at this beautiful cliffside that I've camped at a lot of times, and I got a little overzealous and drove deeper in than I usually would. Scraped bottom a couple times on some rocks, and so I'm just gonna go to bed, and in the morning I'll figure out how to get out of this spot. Good night, Mooners. Oh yeah. Yes. Good morning, Mooners. I think it's about time that we do what we came here to do, which is to retrieve the Sniff Here t-shirt. Bam! In case anyone doesn't know the backstory on this, over on my personal channel, Molly and the Mooners, I do weekly live streams where all the Mooners gather and vibe. And on some stream, at least 6 months ago, we collectively decided that this t-shirt would be auctioned off when Van on the Moon hit 50K. And I even signed it. I guess I could sign this one too whenever it's time for that auction. Like, take the Sharpie and draw an arrow that says sniff here. And then write like Van on the fucking Moon and continue wearing it just to drive up the hype of it eventually getting auctioned. This one goes out to the sniffers. That didn't work. Sniff here. Alright, here's the official Mooner sniffer shirt. Sniff it here. Van on the fucking Moon. Looking at it right now, you can't see the writing very well, so to celebrate 50K, we're gonna write on it again. And then to celebrate even further, we're gonna auction it off at next Saturday's live stream. This time, instead of Sharpie, I'm gonna be using gold paint pen. So hopefully it'll show up better. Oh yeah, the gold already shows up way better, plus it matches the Volkswagen. The gold makes such a huge difference. It makes it look even more unhinged, and I love this. And now for the arrow. Yeah. Sniff it. Fucking art. It is honestly so ironic to me that this same month that I just say, you know what? Fuck it. I'm gonna move into a house and be gentle on myself for a little bit. This channel goes ahead and doubles in subscribers. So here we are. We're back in van life. Van on the fucking moon. Oh no. Don't mind what a mess I am right now of a being. It's been a wild ride. Also, I plan on this being a fairly short episode, and I feel like I've already said the word fuck, like an unironic actual estimate, I would say 20 times. This is editing Molly, here to fact check filming Molly, and it turns out I actually only said the word fuck 11 times. So it turns out I'm not that bad. And I know that my cursing sometimes bothers people, but to the people who it doesn't bother, they relate. And for those people, I keep going. The people who can't handle it, this channel is just not made for them. It's just such a versatile word. You say it when you're excited, you say it when you're angry, you say it when you're confused. I'm just like writing over the writing that is already here in Sharpie, and now that it's highlighted in gold, I'm seeing how shitty my handwriting is. It just adds to the vibes. The whole premise of this shirt is a joke anyway. And I'm so excited to find out which Mooner ends up with this thing, because it could be anybody. Alright. Van on the fucking moon. It's glorious. The gold looks so much better. Oh my god. Let's try it on. Well, I know it fits. I wear this shirt a lot, honestly. But with the new artwork. Yo! Dang, I want to keep it. Oh, I gotta put my project goggles on to complete the vibe. My microphone's in my shirt. I don't want to sell it, I want to keep it. Since we hit 50K and I'm a woman of my word, I will auction it even though I really don't want to. If anything, I'll just use the money from the auction to buy myself an even better one that will auction off at 100K. By the time this video goes live, the auction will be up and running on my website, idontknowbabyLLC. Link in description box. If you want the Van on the fucking Moon 50K Sniff Here t-shirt, Mooners can be bidding throughout the week, but honestly the main bidding times usually happen during the stream, which will be on my personal channel, Molly and the Mooners, at 10 a.m. Hawaiian Standard Time next Saturday. The actual auction will be closing at 11:11, so that gives people about an hour during the stream to duke it out and see who's gonna win the shirt. I'll be wearing the shirt during the auction, and it does say Sniff Here, which was an ironic joke. It's just a shtick because people are always talking about my armpit hair and saying that I probably smell awful. If anyone wants a chance to find out what I actually smell like, I will send the shirt unwashed. I am so amazed that we hit 50K on this channel. All the crazy projects and crazy strandings are finally paying off. I couldn't have done all this without you guys. I so appreciate the Mooner community and how you guys cheer me on even when shit is going so bad. You guys are cheering me on. If you like my vibe here on Van on the Moon and want more of me, I've got 5 YouTube channels, a website, an Instagram, a Facebook, a TikTok. I'm all over the place. Check out my link tree. Because even though Van on the Moon is my most subscribed to channel by a landslide, there's a lot more to me than, you know, getting chased by cops and destroying vans and cussing like a sailor. I'm also an artist. Well, I've got some shit to do and a big party to get to tomorrow, so I think we're gonna end this episode here. I'm super excited for the auction. You're not gonna want to miss it. I have a feeling it's gonna be a very fun online event. And I'm stoked for all this because it gave me a reason to come back to Big Island and reunite with the Mooner Mobile. There's a huge party this weekend, and honestly, I'll just end up being here for a couple weeks, so I'm not gonna vlog it because I want this episode to be specifically about the achievement and the shirt. But just know, I'll be having fun. Mooners, keep on mooning. I love you guys, and Van on the fucking moon.